This microlearning course is the second of a series of 3 that will show teachers how to use CHAT GPT to scaffold reading instruction by creating different levels of a piece of text to meet the different reading levels of students in a classroom. These microlearning classes will cover what is CHAT GPT, how to analyze text complexity, how to create level text, and how to create different types of questions using CHAT GPT. These microlearning courses will also provide examples to help you master the skills. Today, we will be learning how to use CHAT GPT as a tool to help adjust the reading level of a text in order to scaffold instruction for students. By the end of this microlearning course, you will be able to adjust the readability level of a text using CHAT GPT, utilize prompts in CHAT GPT to modify vocabulary, sentence structure, text structure, and reading levels. Welcome to the AI revolution. In the first section of this microlearning course, we learned about the history of CHAT GPT, how it works, and the many different ways it can act as a tool to support teachers in their work. Specifically, how to use CHAT GPT to analyze text to identify vocabulary that may give students difficulty, the types of sentence structures used, the structure of a text, background knowledge a reader may need to support their comprehension of the text, and the grade level or lexile level of the text. The benefit of using CHAT GPT to do an analysis of a text is it can be done quickly, helping teachers to efficiently identify what their instructional focuses should be when using a text. CHAT GPT is truly an innovative tool to help teachers effectively and strategically plan for the varying instructional needs of all their students while spending less time planning than they have in the past. But like all tools, the quality of what you get out of it depends on how you use it. The more specific information you want from CHAT GPT, the more detailed you need to be in your inquiry. An important thing to remember is that CHAT GPT or any other similar AI is not perfect. It's a tool. It may give you incorrect information or information you want to modify to better fit the needs of your students or teaching style. CHAT GPT is ultimately a time-saving tool to support your skill set and knowledge base. It's not a replacement. To access the free version of CHAT GPT, to try out the strategies you've learned in this course, please go to chat.openai.com. AI, such as CHAT GPT, can create different reading levels of a text by using natural language processing (NLP) techniques. Once the AI has analyzed the text to identify its complexity, it then applies various algorithms to simplify or expand the language and structure of the text. To create a simpler version of the text, the AI may use techniques such as simplifying the vocabulary, shortening the sentences, and breaking down complex concepts into smaller, more easily understandable ideas. The AI may also adjust the grammar and syntax of the text to make it more accessible to struggling readers. To create a more complex version of the text, the AI may use techniques such as expanding the vocabulary, adding more descriptive details, and using more complex sentence structures. The AI may also introduce more abstract or advanced concepts or use more technical language appropriate for more skilled readers. In both cases, the AI can use machine learning algorithms to train on large datasets of texts at different reading levels, enabling it to better understand how to adjust the language and structure of a text to create a version appropriate for a particular reading level. Going back to the text about butterflies that we used earlier, imagine you're a third-grade teacher with a student who struggles to read at grade level. You can use CHAT GPT to adjust the readability level of a text to match the student's level. For example, you can copy a grade-level text about butterflies into the chat bar and ask CHAT GPT to rewrite it using simpler words and shorter sentences suitable for a first-grade reading level. Add the text to the chat bar with the following prompt: rewrite this text using simpler words and shorter sentences. that would be appropriate for the end of first grade reading level. The following rewritten text following your commands would appear. Butterflies are pretty bugs with 4 wings. They start out as teeny tiny eggs that become caterpillars. The caterpillars eat and get bigger, shedding their skin many times until they're all grown up. After that, they make a special covering called a chrysalis and change into a butterfly. Butterflies have bright colors and shapes on their wings that help them hide or scare away enemies. They also have a long tube called a proboscis that they use to drink nectar from flowers. Butterflies help plants grow and make new plants by spreading their pollen. While proofing the text to make sure it covers all the information needed, you notice that the word metamorphosis is not included. You can adjust your prompt to rewrite the text to better fit your instructional needs. Click the Edit button at the top right corner of your original prompt. For example, rewrite this text with simpler words and shorter sentences. Keep the word metamorphosis, but explain the word metamorphosis to be easy to understand that would be developmentally appropriate for an end of first grade reading level. Click the green Save and Submit button at the bottom. The following revised text is returned with the word metamorphosis and explanation included. Take a few moments to look over the revised text. Things to keep in mind. Consider rephrasing the prompt if the revised text you get back isn't exactly what you need. This is a tool that can be used to help you scaffold text to meet students' instructional needs. You would follow the same process with appropriate adjustments to the prompt to have a text rewritten for a higher reading level. For example, using the same third grade level text about butterflies. Let's use CHAT GPT to rewrite it for a 5th grade reading level. This time instructing CHAT GPT to use more advanced vocabulary, longer and more complex sentences, and more abstract or nuanced ideas. The prompt may also include guidance to provide additional details and examples to help readers understand more advanced concepts. Using the chat box, the written prompt may look like this. Rewrite this text as a 5th grade level text using more advanced vocabulary, longer and more complex sentences, with more abstract ideas. Provide additional details and concepts to help readers understand more advanced concepts. With the text you want rewritten following the prompt. CHAT GPT returns the following rewritten text about butterflies following your specifications. Butterflies are fascinating and stunning insects that possess 4 wings which are composed of intricate patterns and vibrant colors. The creatures begin their life as minuscule eggs, which hatch into tiny caterpillars. As caterpillars, they consume food and grow, shedding their skin multiple times as they increase in size. Once they reach full maturity, they will transform into a chrysalis, undergo a metamorphosis, and ultimately emerge as a butterfly. Butterflies display a diverse range of hues and designs on their wings that serve a crucial function in their survival. These unique wing patterns are employed to either blend in with their environment or frighten away predators. Moreover, they have a long proboscis that functions as a straw to draw nectar from flowers, which is their primary source of sustenance. Beyond their beauty and grace, butterflies play an essential role in our ecosystem. They are vital pollinators who assist in the reproduction and growth of numerous plant species. Without the presence of these insects, many flowers, fruits, and vegetables that we rely on for sustenance would not be able to flourish. Overall, butterflies are not only mesmerizing creatures, but they also serve a significant purpose in maintaining the balance of our natural world. Things to keep in mind. Consider rephrasing the prompt if the revised text you get back isn't exactly what you need. This is a tool that can be used to help you scaffold text to meet students' instructional needs. Congratulations! You've taken another step in the technology evolution of AI. This microlearning course has equipped you with the necessary skills to use CHAT GPT to address the learning needs of all students by creating different reading levels of the same text using CHAT GPT. By leveling a text, you can provide scaffolded support for your struggling readers. In the final microlearning course on how to use CHAT GPT to level texts and create questions, you will learn how to create literal, inferential, evaluative, and creative type questions. See you soon.